And folks, this is what we're working with today. So folks, in this video, I'm going to prepare something by request by the one and only Thomas Skagen, friend who lives here in Washington State. And what is that? Well, you can tell by the title of the video, that is going to be a stir fry. In this case, it's going to be a chicken stir fry, and I'm going to use the Teriyaki stir fry, sesame seed stir fry, teriyaki sesame stir fry sauce from Blackstone. Now, I've used their seasonings, and I like them, so I have full trust that this sauce is going to be good, and I'm sure it will be. Did I just say? So let's take a look at what else we're working with. I can hardly talk today. Got the chicken strips. Over here we got the vegetables, the sauce, and some non-stick cooking spray. Onion, sliced yellow bell pepper. We got some cabbage in the house. Carrots, snow peas, broccoli, mushroom, and baby corn. And here is that sauce I'm talking about. The Blackstone Sesame Teriyaki Sear and Serve. Now you guys are probably wondering why the Weber Go Anywhere grill is sitting out. It's because I'm going to make another video right after I make the stir fry. We're making some food here, folks. Let's fire off the Blackstone. First try. Right here, folks, is the Mr. Heater Big Buddy propane heater that I bought probably in 2006, the end of 2006. I realized out here in Seebeck that we have a lot of power outages here. I just got discouraged with it. Threw it out in the goat house after I got rid of the goats, of course, and it turned to crap. I even offered to give this thing away. Nobody wanted it. You can see the grate, the protective grill, whatever, is all rusted out. It was filthy. I don't know how many spiders were living in here. But right now I got it set on low. Let's turn it up. So with the heat of the griddle and the heater, it's nice and comfy back here. I probably could even shed off this coat. Oh yeah, got me a new ladle. The Blackstone ladle. Yeah, now it's time to throw down the